Students, today I am going to discuss the logic of our fourth program of the shell script operating system labs part B. What is the program or what is the problem statement? It says that shell script, we have to write a shell script to read two file names and find which file has a greater number of words or lines or characters. Before we write the shell script, let us discuss the logic of the shell script. Now the first thing that we want to do is accept the file names from the user. Okay. Now after accepting the file name from the user, what is the next step? We want to check whether the file that has been given by the user exists or no. If it exists, well and good. If no, we have to display the error message saying that file is not present, or we can say that file not found. Okay. Now let us assume that both the files entered by the user are available. They are there in our system. So if yes, then what are we supposed to do? So what we will do? We will take one file, count the number of words of that file, take the second file and count the number of words from the second file, count the number of lines from both the file, say F1 and F2, count the number of characters again from both the files. So now what do we have? We have the word count, then we also have the line count, which is L, and we also have the character count of both the files, right? File 1, file 2, file 1, file 2, this is L, that is the line count. File 1, file 2, this is our character count. After counting the number of words, number of lines and number of characters from both the files, what are we supposed to do? We are going to compare the words of both the files, compare the lines of both the files, compare the characters of both the files, and then we will display the result. After comparison, we will get to know which file has more number of words, lines and characters, and that is what we are going to display. So and so file has greater number of words, lines and character.